Hello everyone. Today I'm going to cook a crockpot beef. This is a 2 pound point two I guess of beef, and I'm using this chipotle chipotle. I don't know how to say that. I think chipotle. And I had 1 can in there. You can find this at Walmart. I'm gonna rinse it off a little bit of water. And my next ingredients is a pasta sauce. You can use any pasta sauce. And I just leave them in a crock pot all night. If you are hurry, you can put it in a high heat, but in this time here, time check on this one, it was 9 p.m. when I put them in a crock pot. So I put it in a high heat for an hour, and then I went to bed around 10 o'clock, and then I put them into a low settings. So I don't need to watch them cooking because the crock pot will do itself. So I wake up in the morning. This is what it's look like in the low settings. So I'm going to stir this one. This is a very easy recipe for a busy mama. For your kids, I'm sure kids would love this. And this will work with rice or mashed potato, or you can mix this with the diced mashed potatoes in there. But me and my son ate it with rice, and it's really got a good gravy in there. And then now you can adjust your salt. I didn't add a salt because Lori's already had a salt. Plus all your spaghetti and chipotle has already had a flavor. This is ready to serve. The reason I cook this one in the night, it's because in the morning we can have this for lunch and dinner, so that I only cook one time. So this is it. All you gotta do is just cook your rice or mashed potatoes.